I'm cutting, I'm chopping. So like today we had baked chicken. I did all the chicken the day before, seasoned it up, got it to marinate.
We make a wild rice meatloaf. The fresh hamburger comes in, fresh turkey. We'll cook the wild rice. We mix it in a big mixer or by hand. It's really amazing. I mean, it used to be everything came in a package and you just threw it in the oven, pulled it out when it was hot. But now we're actually given a recipe, given the ingredients, and making something that these kids enjoy.
Well, when I first started, it was semi-homemade. And so then the next transition was, we should just do it all from the central kitchen, and we're gonna do a lot of pre-pack. We can do it best, we can portion control, and we can save money, and we can do it all centrally at the kitchen, and we can save on labor, and we'll just send you the food, and then you just heat it up. Everything was all like packaged, like a lot of plastic. The vegetables and the fruit came in packaging, and it visually did not look appealing at all.
I spent some time going from school to school to school and just saying, okay, what are some of the things we can do immediately? Well, maybe we can do salad bars. That was a big impact. Then I looked at the schools that had remnants of kitchen and said, okay, let's start there. The high school still has some kitchens. Although antiquated, they were still kitchens. The district embraced the changes and allocated budget to build kitchens.
We are now all about farm to school. We're all about healthy, we're giving them fruits and vegetables, and we're making real, true food.
I like it, it's good, it's good quality. I wouldn't serve it if it wasn't. I would never serve the kids anything that I wouldn't eat myself.
I just miss the school food when school's out because during the summer I don't eat as good as I do here with all the grains and the bean salads and the lettuce and the fresh fruit. I was tired of waitressing. I'm getting older, so I was looking for, as my mother said, a real job. I've never had a job like this before. I'm in heaven. The day flies by and I get to know the kids personally, and I enjoy teaching them how to eat.
I noticed that the new people that are coming on have gone to culinary school, have been chefs at other restaurants or hotels, and they're coming on board and joining us lunch ladies. Yeah. And teaching us some of their trades too.
I had graduated from the Cordon Bleu like a year or two before that, and I was kind of bopping around at different restaurants. When I first started, it just kind of reminded me of how it was just to work in a regular kitchen, just a little bit bigger.
So my background being in hospitality, I look at this as we are a restaurant. To say that we don't need people with culinary skill or there's not as much excitement in this as there is in a restaurant, I think is a fallacy.
At the catering company, I started at like 8 in the morning, and then I would work till about 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night. And when I came here, we started at 5:30, so it was harder to get up. But I'm done at 2, which is awesome because I have 2 kids and it just gives me more time with them. A lot of food service jobs is nights and weekends and holidays. Coming here was amazing. Like, it gave me the freedom to raise the family that I wanted to have.
And we're trying more and more to hire internally and train them for those positions. We developed career path. We started developing training module. We offered prep cook training. We offered culinary training. So yeah, we have had quite a few actually that have taken that direction.
I'm learning a lot of new things and I really enjoy it, and I don't see myself going anywhere else after this.